Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I'm making walnut brownies. I absolutely love brownies. So today I'm making this without any maida or sugar. I'm using ragi atta and jaggery powder to make it healthy. Since ragi atta is a millet, so it's a great source of complex carbs and it is gluten free. So I think you all must include this in your diet. Today's video is very special for me because I made these brownies for Mother's Day and my mom gets extremely happy whenever I cook something for her. So why don't you guys try it as well? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get cooking.
So first I'm gonna start with sifting some dry ingredients. I've taken about 150 grams of ragi flour over here. You can choose oats flour, wheat flour or maida, also called as all-purpose flour. You can choose your options. I'm taking ragi because I think it's a great source of complex carbohydrates and it's healthier. 50 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Sift it properly so that there are no lumps in between. Once done, you can keep it aside. Now take another bowl, probably the one you can put in the microwave, so choose carefully. Put about 150 grams of chocolate, 100 grams of room temperature butter. Now keep it in the microwave for 30 seconds max. Do not keep it for more than that because then the chocolate will start burning. So now mix it really well with a spatula or a spoon, whatever you have available at your home. After 1 or 2 minutes of mixing, you can see this forms a homogeneous mixture of melted butter and melted chocolate. So this is how it should look like. Do not start licking the bowl right now. It looks very tempting, but kindly do not lick it. So add about 150 grams of jaggery powder to this. Mix it really well this time because you want the jaggery powder to melt properly in the chocolate so that there are no major lumps in the batter. So mix it like really well. You can also choose to add sugar if you want, or coconut sugar, date sugar, whatever you find as a replacement for jaggery powder. I've opted for jaggery powder because it is much healthier. Once this is done, I'll add about 2 eggs one by one. So add 1 egg and mix it properly. And once this is mixed, you can add another egg. Make sure these eggs are at room temperature and not cold because the batter might turn out very weird if these are cold. So make sure you keep your eggs out of the fridge at least 2 or 3 hours prior to making your brownies. So yeah. Once you incorporate both the eggs into the batter, now it's time to add the dry ingredients to the wet ones. Do not add them all at once. Divide them into 2 parts and add half and half. Mix it really well. Do not try to overmix this because brownie batters are usually a little thicker and a little drier than the cake. So as I said, it might look thicker, so it's okay if it looks like this. That's perfectly fine. It'll turn out really good. So now you can add any choice of nuts you want. I'm adding some walnuts over here. Also, I forgot to add some vanilla essence in the beginning, so I'm adding about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence right now. I did not have any butter paper available with me, so I have lined my baking tray with some butter and dry flour, and I'm pouring this brownie batter into it and spread it evenly across the baking tray. Now I'm adding some chopped walnuts and some chopped chocolates because who doesn't like more chocolate on their brownie, right? So go crazy with it and put as much as chocolate you want. Preheat your microwave oven at 180 degrees and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Check in between if it is burning. Now remove it nicely, and once it is cooled down, cut them into nice squares and enjoy it. The best way to have your brownies is when they are slightly warm. They taste crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. They taste absolutely yummy. You can have it with a scoop of ice cream or with some hot chocolate sauce. So why wait? Make some and enjoy it at your home.
आई होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस रेसिपी. तो मम्मा से चेक कर लेते हैं अगर उनको अच्छी लगी कि नहीं. मम्मा कैसी लगी आपको ब्राउनीज जो मैंने बनाई थी?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही अच्छी और स्वादिष्ट बनी थी. यस, प्लीज़ आप लोग भी घर पे अपने ट्राई कीजिए और कमेंट में लिखिए आप कैसी लगी.
Please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle.
एंड पूनम ने और भी बहुत सारी कई रेसिपीज़ बनाई हैं. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चबी चिक.
Till then, keep
Keep
smiling,
smiling, stay safe and stay healthy.